In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. Whether you've been crafting your website for a while or just starting out, regularly backing up your site can save you from potential headaches down the road. So let's dive into the steps to ensure your hard work is safe and sound. First things first, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account. To do this, head over to the Squarespace website and find the login button. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you have a few different options for logging in. The simplest one is to click on Continue with Google. This allows you to sign in using your Google account, streamlining the process if you already have your Google account details saved in your browser. Once you're all signed in, the next step is to locate and click on your website. Depending on how many sites you manage, you might see several listed, but select the one you wish to back up. Keeping your digital workspace organized by naming your sites clearly can make this step even easier. Now, to access the main settings for your website, navigate to your profile photo located at the bottom left of your dashboard. If you hover over this area, you'll see a menu pop up. It's a small but essential step that leads you directly to your website settings. In the settings menu, you'll need to find the option that allows you to manage your website. Look for the 3 dots next to your website's name. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among those options is the one critical to our task today: duplicate website. Selecting this option is how we'll create a backup of your site. When you click on duplicate website, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to confirm this action. Click on duplicate to proceed with the backup. This confirmation step ensures that you don't accidentally duplicate your site without meaning to, which is a handy safety feature provided by Squarespace. And there you have it, your website is now duplicated. This duplicate serves as the backup, holding all your site's contents in place as they were at the time of duplication. Keep in mind, this doesn't replace other types of data backups you might want to consider, like exporting site data, but it's an effective quick fix that captures most of your content and settings. Backing up your website regularly gives you peace of mind knowing that your work is safe and sound, even if the unexpected occurs. It's a simple habit that can save you from potential loss and effort. Hopefully you found this guide helpful and informative. Don't forget to make this part of your regular site maintenance routine. Thanks for watching, and happy web building.